Here we go. Motor City Pizza Company. Detroit style pizza. Fresh out of the oven. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today we're going to do a pizza review. This is going to be a review of Detroit style pizza by Motor City Pizza Company. I ran into this pizza at Walmart. I know they sell this pizza at Costco as well. And the best pizza, the best frozen pizza I ever had was Outsiders Pizza Company. And that was their Detroit style pizza. That was the best frozen pizza I ever had. So I have high hopes for Motor City Pizza Company Detroit style pizza. It bakes at 425 for 21 minutes. So my oven is preheated and ready, so I'll see you guys in 21 minutes. Bye. This is what pizza looks like, pre-bake. Right there. Wrapped up in a cellophane. In a deep dish tray. Alright, here's from the side, the crust. A close-up of the crust. Alright, here we go. Motor City Detroit style pizza. Looks good, nice and soft. Here's the crust. Looks good from the side. From the other side, looks good. Inside where I cut it. And I show the bottom. Looks pretty good. Let's bite into it. Taste it. See what it tastes like. Get the corner. It's good. Nice and fluffy. Crispy on the outside. Chewy, fluffy on the inside. Very good. This is pretty close to the Outsiders Pizza Company's Detroit style frozen pizza. This is pretty good. Yep, it's good. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much. It's pretty good. Take another bite. Still hot. Pretty good. For a frozen pizza, 4.75 out of 5. This is almost perfect frozen pizza. You can't get a better frozen pizza than this. Motor City Company Detroit style pizza. Excellent frozen pizza. 4.75 out of 5. Get it at Walmart or Costco. Thank you guys for tuning in.